Hey guys, welcome to Bite Me Belly. My name is Christina Rose and I'm going to show you how to make vanilla bean banana Oreo ice cream from scratch. So of course we're going to need some milk, some heavy cream, and then I have to get the rest of the ingredients. So let me get some eggs and sugar and the Oreos, of course. We're back. This is cane white pure organic sugar. You can use any sugar that you like. Frozen bananas as well. So here we're gonna get started on the base. It has to go over stovetop, so I use a medium pot. And we're gonna start off with 1 1/4 of a cup of heavy cream. I'm gonna finish this one off. I really love using straws. I feel like they have the best dairy products. So here's 1 cup. And I'll add 1/4. We need 2 cups of whole milk and 1/4. Start off with 1. Add some more milk since I ran out. And then 1/4. Then we're gonna go in with 3/4 of sugar. Now, my version, I like to put the sugar in this milk mixture while it's cooking over the stove because I just feel like it processes better. So we need 3/4 of a cup. I'm gonna add some vanilla. You can use vanilla bean, but I have vanilla extract, so that's what I'm gonna use. Put like a tablespoon. I don't measure, but a tablespoon would be good. Okay, let's take this over to the stove. And we're gonna turn this up to a medium heat. We're gonna stir until it thickens and emulsifies the sugar and vanilla. So once it starts to smell like vanilla, that's when we're gonna turn this off. So while the milk is thickening over the stove, I'm going to take care of separating the 3 egg yolks. Okay, now we're going to lower the heat to low heat. As you can see, it's already thickened a bit. Then we're going to add in our egg yolk. Make sure the heat is on low. And we're going to spin it real quick. Now we need to transfer this mixture to the fridge, and we're going to let it sit for half an hour to an hour until it cools. Now time to put it in the fridge, let it cool for an hour or 30 minutes. Now before we mix it in the ice cream bowl, we need to blend up 4 bananas, of the frozen bananas. So I'm going to put it in the Vitamix. We're going to do that process right now. This is super important to just blend them up a bit to make them smooth, so that way when you put it in the frozen bowl, you know, you're not having chunks. We want just the flavor of the banana. So you want it to look nice and smooth like that. Perfect. Now we're going to transfer it over. Now here we have the frozen ice cream bowl. I'm gonna attach it to my KitchenAid. Now you can use your favorite ice cream making bowl, whatever you'd like. So first off, we are going to be adding the ingredients inside. So we're gonna start off with our ice cream base. Then we're gonna go and put the frozen banana into it. Before we add the Oreos, we're gonna mix this up a little bit, make it get a little bit thicker, and then we're gonna go in and add delicious pieces of Oreos. So we're gonna let this mix for about 15-20 minutes, and we'll come right back to it. Now in this case, I'm gonna pause it because I see the bananas just balling up. So I'm gonna pause this, lift it up, mix around the banana a bit. I wanna make sure there's an even flavor around. Now we're going to continue this mixing. Okay, this has been thickened. Now we're going to add the Oreos to the ice cream. Okay, now we're going to just mix that a little bit more, and then we're going to throw it in the freezer. I'm going to pour this into here, and then we're going to put it in the freezer for 4 to 6 hours, or you can just leave it overnight, which is what I'm gonna do. All right, let's do this. Okay, so now we have the mixture in the ice cream bowl, ice cream container, I should say. And I had a bit of a fail. This thing, for some reason, didn't freeze all the way, but it's okay. So we're gonna put it in here, freeze, and then I'll show you the end result. Okay guys, time for the big reveal of the ice cream. So I'm just gonna open up the packet here. Yay! So here we are. We have our ice cream. We left it overnight, and let's see how it tastes. Let's scoop some up. Here. Let's see, I'm excited. So good. Very banana-y and Oreo. It's just so good. Yeah, definitely recommend you guys making this at home. I hope you guys enjoy it, and I hope you guys are gonna enjoy it as much as I do. I'm gonna finish up eating my little ball of ice cream. Let me know how you guys like it. See you in my next video.